Hi students, good morning to everybody. This is Prasad sir. In the previous classes, you learn motion. So the definition of the motion is that in that motion has some uniform motion and non-uniform motion is there. Here, in this class, we learn to derive derive equation of uniform accelerated motions. There are mainly three. There, what are they? First one, v is equal to u plus at, and second one is s is equal to ud plus of 8 square. Third one is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay. First of all, you derive the first equation. Sir. V is equal to u plus at. The car has moving on a road, on a surface of the road, on a straight line. Suppose this is the surface of the road. A car has starts at point A. A car has starts at point A. At a point A. The initial velocity of the car is 0 meter per second. Time take start has 0 seconds are there. After time t seconds will be completed, the car will be to reach that at a point B. At point B. Here final velocity of the car is v meter per second at t seconds. In this car, the car has to cover the some displacement is there. That is the s displacement. Displacement. Here, u is the initial velocity. Initial velocity. That is the u meter per second. And final velocity. That is the v meter per second. Time taken. That is the t seconds. And displacement s meters. So as per the definition of uniform acceleration, so in the previous class we learned acceleration. Here the rate of change of velocity is known as a acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is known as a acceleration. Here acceleration indicate A is equal to rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is known as a acceleration. So by the t will be transferred to left hand. A into t is equal to v minus u. Again minus u goes to left hand, plus u is there, u plus at, that is equal to v. That is the linear equation. First linear equation, v is equal to u plus at. That is the main equation here. First equation. Here a is there. So here in this equation, since acceleration is constant, acceleration is constant, and second one is s is equal to u ut plus of 8 square. S is equal to ut plus of 8 square. Second equation is s is equal to ut plus of 8 square. From the definition of average velocity, average velocity is equal to final velocity plus initial velocity. By 2 set. Therefore, average velocity is equal to v plus u by 2. Okay, this is the equation 1 here. Equation 1. Okay, but we know average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time taken. taken. Total displacement by total time taken. Therefore, average velocity is equal to s by t. That is the equation 2. Now compare the equation 1 and 2. Now compare the equation 1 and 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2. 1 here, v plus u by 2 is equal to s by t. S by t. Here, as far as in mathematics, a is equal to b and b is equal to a. I will write that s by t is equal to b plus u by 2. S by t is equal to b plus u. Here, s by t is equal to b plus u by 2. This is the equation 3. Equation 3. Here, but we know b is equal to u plus at. But we know b is equal to u plus at. Here b value substitute in equation 3. B value substitute in equation 3. Therefore, s by t is equal to v plus u by 2. Therefore, s by t is equal to, in v place we substitute u plus at plus u by 2. Therefore, s by t is equal to u plus u 2u plus at by 2. Now do the cross multiplication. Now we do the cross multiplication. Now we do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Here 2 into s. 2s. Here t into 2u plus at. Therefore, 2s is equal to t into 2ut plus at into t, at square. Therefore, s is equal to 2ut plus at square. The 2 is multiplication s. It goes to right hand side. But division part is there. Division part. Very large. S is equal to 2ut plus at square by 2. Therefore, S is equal to 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2. 2 cancel. Therefore, S is equal to ut plus of at square. This is a second linear equation. Okay. Next, third equation. To prove that v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay. We know v is equal to u plus at. Here v minus plus u goes to left hand, minus u is equal to at. I want only t. So that means v minus u by a is equal to t. Okay. T value substitute in equation 3. T value substitute in equation 3. So what about the equation 3? s by t is equal to v plus u by 2. In the t, in t place, we substitute v minus u by a. Therefore, s by v minus u by a is equal to v plus u by 2. The a is goes to numerator. That is the a into s by v minus u is equal to v plus u by 2. Again do that cross multiplication. Again do that cross multiplication. Again we do that cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Here is a into 2 into as 2as is equal to b minus u into b plus u. Here in this mathematics you learn one of the important formula, a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Similarly, a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b, that is the 2as is equal to a square minus b square and b square minus a square. Therefore, b square minus a square is equal to 2as. 2as. This is the linear equation. Third linear equation is there. That is the main C here. Okay. Now if you learn in this class, there are important mainly 3 linear equations. There are the equation of uniform accelerated motion. First one is v is equal to u plus at, and second one is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third one is b square minus u square is equal to 2as. There are mainly 3 equations. Okay.